Hi, I'm Gary Martin Hayes. Today I want to share with you some of the most common injuries that I see happen due to rear-end collisions. Now, a rear-end collision is when the front of a vehicle crashes into the back of another vehicle. In my experience, many victims of rear-end collisions underestimate just how injured they are and how much their medical care and repairs are going to cost. Be careful, as insurance companies will try and take advantage of this period when you think you're just sore and everything will be okay. They'll come in and they'll dangle a small carrot, say $500, for you to sign off on a full release. Too many people fall for this ploy. And when the "I think I'm going to get better" turns into "my soreness was really from a bulging or herniated disc and it didn't get better," these people who are suckered by the insurance company will call and ask me, "What can I do now?" Well, once the case is settled, that's it. It's over and done with. That person is now stuck with potentially tens of thousands of dollars in medical bills, and the insurance company is laughing because they are now off the hook. Please do not fall for the insurance company's dirty tricks. Bottom line, any wreck, no matter how minor it may seem, should be taken seriously from the start. So let's get back to injuries from rear-end collisions. One of the most common injuries after a rear-end accident is a cervical strain or sprain. The head and the neck rapidly snapping forward and then back due to the force of the crash. This can cause significant injuries, even at low speeds. The force of the impact in the crash can cause the muscles and ligaments of the neck and the shoulder to stretch beyond their normal range in a fraction of a second. This can strain and tear the soft tissue in these areas. These neck injuries can be quite painful, and they may linger for days or weeks or even longer. And symptoms include severe pain that persists for several days, potentially numbness, weakness, tingling, headaches, dizziness, stiffness in the neck, muscle spasms, and shoulder pain. These symptoms are the body's way of saying something is very wrong and it shouldn't be ignored. Now, back and spinal injuries are also common in rear-end accidents. The force of the impact from being rear-ended can compress the spine. It can put pressure on the vertebrae and bruise lower back muscles and ligaments. Spinal injuries are serious because they can stay with a person for the rest of their life, especially if the injured victim doesn't get the treatment they need quickly after the wreck. Now, one of the reasons many people suffer from back pain after a rear-end collision is due to a bulging or herniated disc. Now, disc sits in between the bony vertebrae of the spine, shaped like small pancakes or donuts. These gel-like structures act as a cushion and a shock absorber, but a rear-end accident can force these discs out of position or cause them to tear open and leak, and this puts painful pressure against the spinal cord. This pinching can cause symptoms like severe pain, radiating numbness or tingling in the back or other parts of the body like the arms or the legs. Last but not least are concussions. A vehicle does not have to be going fast to cause a concussion when it crashes into the back of another car. Now, a concussion is a nice way of saying the person sustained a traumatic brain injury. Any rear-end collision can lead to brain or head injuries given the right circumstances. Hitting your head against a steering wheel or the side window can cause a concussion. But sometimes you don't even have to hit your head on something to suffer a brain injury. During a rapid acceleration, deceleration of the neck at a collision, the brain may strike the front and back part of the skull. This jostling can cause the brain to suffer from bruising, potentially bleeding, torn neurons, and swelling, and this can cause all sorts of serious and debilitating problems. I covered concussions and traumatic brain injuries in another video on my channel, so please check out that video for more information. Listen, if you are not the person who caused the wreck, then you have a right to recover for the injuries and the damages that you sustained in this rear-end collision. I've been working in the personal injury field for more than 30+ years, and I know how to maximize the physical and the financial recovery for my clients. Give me a call, 770-934-8000. We can review the facts of your specific claim. The call is free, it's completely confidential, there's no obligation. You have nothing to lose by calling me. But think of all you can lose if you don't. The number again is 770-934-8000. You can check out our website, GaryMartinHayes.com.